Hello students, let's start with some MCQs of history. Chapter 1, Rise of Nationalism in Europe. So I have sorted some important MCQs. So let's start with the first question. Which of the following revolutions is called as the first expression of nationalism? So options are French Revolution, Russian Revolution, Glorious Revolution, the Revolution of the Liberals. So this is the very basic crux of the chapter. The first expression of the nationalism came from the French Revolution. So it is the correct answer, with option A being the correct answer, French Revolution. Question number 2. Identify the correct statement with regard to Act of Union 1707 from the following options. Few options are given. You have to identify the correct statement with reference to Act of 1707. Number 1. The British monarchy surrendered to power to English Parliament. The British Parliament seized power from Ireland. The formation of the United Kingdom of Great Britain and British nation was formed as a result of a war with Scotland and Wales. So with the introduction of the Act of Union 1707, the formation of United Kingdom of Great Britain was done. Unification was done of United Kingdom of Great Britain. So C being the correct answer. Question number 3. Which of the following was the result of the Act of Union 1707? This is the same question but in a different pattern. Options are unification of Germany, unification of the Kingdom of Great Britain, unification of Italy, unification of Vietnam. So option B, unification of the Kingdom of Great Britain. Question number 4. Which regions was the civil code exported for? Civil code was exported for which of the following reasons? Option A, Switzerland and Italy, Italy and Germany, Switzerland and Germany, Dutch Republic, Switzerland, Italy and Germany. So option number D is the correct answer for this question. Dutch Republic, Switzerland, Italy and Germany were the regions for which the civil code was exported. Next one. Which type of governments were mainly driven in Europe after the defeat of Napoleon in 1815? So here in question also you are getting one more question. Defeat of Napoleon was in which year? So it was in 1815. And after his defeat, what sort of government was seen in Europe? Conservative, liberal, federal or feudal? So conservative government was seen in Europe after the defeat of Napoleon in 1815. Question number 6. Which of the following group of countries collectively defeated Napoleon in 1815? So now you have to name countries that work collectively together in order to defeat Napoleon in 1815. Options are British, Russia, Prussia and Austria, Britain, Russia, Prussia and Australia, Britain, Russia, Netherlands and Germany, Britain, Luxembourg, Germany and Italy. So the correct option is Britain, Russia, Prussia and Austria. A is the correct answer. Question number 7. Who among the following was the founder of Young Europe Underground Secret Society in Bern? So again you are having one more question. What is Young Europe? The Young Europe is an underground secret society, and where it is located? It is located in Bern. So who was the founder of this secret society, Young Europe? Giuseppe Garibaldi, Giuseppe Mazzini, Count Kever, Otto von Bismarck. So the correct answer is Giuseppe Mazzini. He was the founder of the Young Europe. That was an underground secret society in Bern. Question number 8. Which one of the Italian state was ruled by an Italian princely house? So you have to name the Italian state that was ruled by an Italian princely house. Papal state, Lombardy, Venetia, Sardinia, Piedmont. So the correct option is D, Sardinia, Piedmont. Question number 9. When France sneezes, the rest of Europe catches cold. Who among the following said this popular line? So this is a very basic line of this chapter. Accordingly, it meant that whenever something happens in France, the entire Europe has to suffer. So this statement was said by which of the following personality? Giuseppe Mazzini, Metternich, Otto von Bismarck, Giuseppe Garibaldi. So the correct answer is Metternich. He quoted this sentence that when France sneezes, the rest of Europe catches cold. 10th question number 10. Choose the correct sequence. So there are some events given. You have to arrange them according to the sequence. The Vienna Peace Settlement is signed. Napoleon invades Italy. Unification of Italy. Greek struggle for independence begins. So according to these given events, the first thing that occurred was Napoleon invades Italy. Then we had the Vienna Peace Settlement is signed. Then we have Greek struggle for independence begins, and lastly we had unification of Italy. So the correct sequence is second, first, fourth and third. Now question number 11. Who among the following was the architect for the unification of Italy? Who was wholly and solely responsible for the unification of Italy? Otto I Bismarck, William I, Frederick III, William II. So correct answer is Otto I Bismarck. Next, which of the following treaty recognized Greece as an independent nation? So according to which treaty, after the signing of which treaty, Greece was recognized as an independent nation? Treaty of Versailles, Treaty of Sevres, Treaty of Lausanne and Treaty of Constantinople. So the correct answer is Treaty of Constantinople. So these are few questions. Next, I'll again make a series in which I will include some more important questions. So you can check the questions